Geocoding is done via SmartMap API Portal. First of all, log in to the SmartMap API Portal. Click on the geocode function and you will be directed to the geocode page. To start geocode processing, drag or upload your input CSV file. Click Start at the uploaded CSV file to start the geocode process. And user is required to select the input column and desired output. In this case, we would want the location lat long and geocode accuracy level. The geocode progress and status can be viewed at the progress and status column. When geocode complete, the output CSV file can be downloaded by just clicking on the download button. Next is to show how user could view the geocoded file using the QGIS software. Open the QGIS software, click on Add Layer, add Delimited Text Layer, select the geocoded file, and there you go. The geocoded file is displayed and user may see the output column on the lat long and accuracy level as per selection during geocode process using SmartMap API Portal. Once user click the Add button, the output lat long are displayed in point location on the QGIS workspace. Next is to enable the base map WMS to overlay with the points. Click on Add Layer, add WMS WMTS layer, input the SmartMap API URL, click Connect, select the base map layer, click Add, and that's it. The points is now overlaid with the SmartMap API layer. Zooming into the low level, user could see the most structured points for each of the properties on the map. By clicking at each of the property points, the point information will be displayed as per information available in the CSV file. User should also enable the WFS service in order to view the property information of the addresses. Click on Add Layer, add WFS layer, input the SmartMap API URL, click Connect, select the layer and click Add. As can be seen, the red diamond is the WFS property data. By clicking at each of the WFS property points, user could get the property information. Well, we guess that's all for the demo today. Thank you!